Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
So I usually tell people that gym has taught me a lot in my life. Then I got to a conclusion that I can, keep telling you what one by one, where has gym helped me. Today we can speak about, I will speak about consistency, because I started working out when I was in 9th grade. And I did that, I used to work out at home irregularly for 2 years, or I would say 2 to 3 years. And then I had no fucking result whatsoever. And then I started going to gym. Trainers in the gym were like, you've got to take this, you've got to do that, you've got to follow this shit to, increase mass and put on a body. I started doing all that crap, nothing worked out. And then finally, one person told me that it's not about what the fuck are you doing, it's about how consistent are you. Are you, consistent? I was not consistent. I would probably go for once a week, twice a week, or thrice a week. Then later on, from 12th grade onwards, I started going every day. Then even in first year of my college, so my bus used to come by 7:50. So I had to finish my workout before 7:50, go home, get ready, and get onto the college bus. Initially for 1 year I did that, and then after that I couldn't do it anymore, so I started going in car. But then even then, actually initially I didn't go in the morning, I went in the evening. I would come back from college at say 6:45, then I would head to the gym, and then in the gym I would work out till 10. I remember because I would be one of the last person in the gym. Me and my friend Harsh, we would be the last people in the gym working out all together. There would be no one, the lights would be very dim, so we kind of had good lighting also then. Anyways, that was the initial schedule. Then I shifted to mornings. That's when waking up at 4:30 came into the picture. So I had to be consistent. For being consistent, the only way it could happen was if I woke up 1 hour or 2 hours early. So I started waking up at 4:30. I started going to the gym more consistently. Then 2 years down the lane, I saw results. Then I was thinking these results were massive and insane. But with another year passing by, I saw actual fucking results. And that's when it hit me the major role consistency plays. So I relate, whatever activity I'm doing, let it be with Make Me Garden or any other business, to this consistency to the gym. Why? Because I saw that if I put in consistent efforts for a long period of time, the result is fucking crazy. So I started doing the same shit with other areas also. I, learned a lot about marketing. I went to 3 years of college and learned nothing. I didn't pay attention. But during this lockdown, I read a lot of books. I did some good amount of research on marketing, ads, and then understanding people altogether. So I was consistent with my efforts. I made a schedule. Right now I don't have one, but previously I had a fucking schedule. Initial stages of lockdown, exactly what time, what would I do. I would be awake for, I guess, 18, I don't remember, let's say it's 18. So I wrote down what the fuck I was doing for those 18 hours. So I did this for 4 or 5 months, and then that helped me a lot. Then lockdown cooled down, then we could go out, and that's when I started meeting people for Make Me Garden. And even now I'm meeting with 2-3 people only. We're talking about 2-3 ventures. Fucking insane shit going on. Maybe soon I'll be talking about something. I spoke about this drive-in theater, but now the concept, we are in the ideation phase, so it has changed. We came up to another concept right now, but that's also fucking interesting. Maybe soon I'll fill you up on the details. The time's 4:44. So whoever knows about this number thingy, they'll get it. It's 444. Bye bye.